It's always been difficult going from vision and dream to working software and systems. Like, that's always been hard, but generally speaking, in the past, when you've gone along the line of like finding out what it's supposed to do, thinking about building it, thinking of solutions, getting it out, releasing first versions, the closer you get to the end of that line, generally the more scientific and mathematical and just rules-based the behaviors are. But I think this is all about to end and just go down the toilet, because really recently I've become acutely concerned about what appears to be superstition as a programming language. And what I'm talking about here is people who have, with the arrival of foundation models, previously LLMs, into the slap bang in the center of everyone's focal attention and the investment world and business, the fact that FMs are now in the middle of all that, and that largely your engineering prompts to go into them, I'm seeing a lot of content from people talking about prompt engineering in the same way that primitive religions talk about cutting chickens' necks, right, to get a rain for the crops. It's that superstitious. I don't want to shame anybody, but last week I watched an official video from one of the big 3 cloud providers. You know who I'm talking about? There's only 3 of them, right? So from one of those folks, an official video on their Instagram channel talking about one of the greatest things about using AI is having to fine tune your prompts. You just have to keep trying different ways of saying things till you get the results you want. This is nonsense. This is not technology. So yes, absolutely, you have to get your prompts right to get the results out, but that's not system design. That's system design in the same way that going on The Apprentice and saying things like maximize profit is the same as running a business, right? It's just deluded. So it's really concerning, and tech has been hard enough as it is. But like I say, typically speaking, traditionally, the closer you got to the end, to the delivery end of things, the more certain things are. But now I think we've opened the doors to the dreamers and the bullshitters and everyone else. So goodness knows what's happening. Yes, this might just be old man yells at cloud territory. I get it, but Jesus.